So one person has died after a fire gutted an informal settlement, Kwa Mai Mai, in Johannesburg in the early hours of this morning. Another person, we understand, was injured and transported to hospital by emergency services. SABC News reporter Molemo Waone Mothoa brings us the latest there. Molemo, very good morning to you. What is the latest there? Has the death toll increased, or what are we hearing from community members there in terms of what may have caused that fire?
Good morning, Criselda. Indeed, we are coming live to you from the Kwa Mai Mai informal settlement here in Johannesburg, where more than 400 shacks were razed by fire. The City of Johannesburg Emergency Services officials say they received a call just after midnight, and on arrival they found the place gutted, and it's about, to be precise, they say it's 450 shacks that have been destroyed by fire, and in that incident one person died and the other one has been taken to hospital with burn wounds. What is happening at the moment, as we've got an explanation from them, is that the community leaders and disaster management team are doing a head count to have everyone accounted for here. So as you can just see in the background, it's very busy, people are just, lying out, they are just sitting outside here with their belongings. And we are just going to try to talk to some of them who are here, just to hear as to how did everything started. Mama, ngiyakubona uhleli nomntwana la and your staff, if you can just tell us ukuthi lo mlilo lo uqale nini, uqale kanjani?
Uqale ngo past 11 kwaqala ngale nzansi bokusha khona, kushise omunye usisi bekalayithe istove then edakiwe, waya ngale ekhaya elisha kominye imkhukhu wayobatshela ukuthi ngale kuyasha mara thina zange sitshele cause kube sibone elukube sikhonile ukuthi siucishe.
So nina nikhone ukuthi nithathe ini from your place?
Yimpahla sikhona ukuyithatha, kodwa wardrobe, ama-fridge, amakhabethe, iy'ndishi zokugeza sikhona ukuyithatha, even nokudla sikhona ukukuthatha, neshebo nje okuningi sikhona ukuthatha, ney'cathula zasenzansi phansi.
Ninesikhathi esingakini ihleli la?
5 years.
Ngisho ukuthi since the fire
sihlale sukela ngo past 12 ngoba sekuba up until now ngoba past 10 manje.
Okay, let's hear from the other person. Puti, ngiyakubona uhlalelo umlilo la, wena ungasichazela nje ukuthi uzweni, uboneni?
Cha, ngizwe nje ngo past 12 bathi kuyasha phandle. Mangibona ngiphuma phandle ngibona umlilo kuyavutha nje la esihlala khona, ngaphuma. Uma ngaphuma lesikhwama kuphela, into zami zishe zonke, anginakho ukudla, anginanto yakupheka, anginalutho nje, yabo. Yilo nto nje ngiyibonile nje ebusuku kuze kube manje uba ngihlila emlilweni la, yabo. Angazi ukuthi ngizophuma ngishoneke.
Into enje iye yavela before or iyaqala?
Evelile umlilo nje mina ngithe ngiphuma phandle ngawubona. Okwesibili angazi ngicabanga ukuthi okwesibili okwesibili kwenzeka lokho, yabo.
Okay, Criselda, as you have heard some of the people who were staying in the shacks there, who've lost their shacks, some of them just managed to pick, a few stuff, including their bedding, clothes as well. But as you have heard, they've lost, their food. They've lost even some of the, their valuable, maybe documents in the space. But then what the First Lady, who actually I spoke to, said, if I can just, briefly summarize, is that the fire, what they heard, that the fire started after one of the lady who was staying in the compound lit a stove, and apparently she was drunk. That's how the fire started. Griselda?
Molemo, thank you very much indeed. Just before we let you go, do we know if there's any assistance yet that has been provided? I see that most of those residents that have been affected are sitting outside with what they could salvage there. Has there been anyone that you've seen perhaps from the city of Johannesburg to try and assist in that situation?
At the moment, Griselda, I have not been able to establish any of them. The people who actually are around here or still around here are members of the Metro Police.
All right, Molemo, thank you very much indeed. At the site of a fire, the Kwa Mai Mai, we understand having taken place yesterday, and one person is believed to have passed away as a result of that tragedy there. Let's take a short break.